Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Morning. Hello. No, actually I think it's afternoon. Welcome to Vlogmas day 10. Oh my god, you guys, we're on double digits. What? Anyway, welcome to Vlogmas day 10. I woke up feeling English. Okay, what do I mean by I woke up feeling English? I want to make a fancy English breakfast. Yes, so we're gonna make that together. And before I go too far, guys, if you have not watched my Vlogmas day 9 advantages and disadvantages of setting up a business in Nairobi, please check it out. It's an amazing video. I know you're gonna like it. So yeah. Anyway, so I was saying I want to show you guys the ingredients of my fancy breakfast. So this is my fridge. I have leftover mandazi, which I'll probably have later. This is what I want to make some. I already peeled them because they were a bit overripe, and then I froze them. And then there is some potatoes. Okay, this is what happens when you put potatoes in a fridge. I don't know, but yeah, so some potatoes. This is cabbage, some strawberries. I don't think we need that later. I have bread as well, and that can stay there. So you guys, can you guess my fancy breakfast? Oh, and I have eggs. Oh my gosh, today I'm in the mood for some eggs. I actually want to stop eating eggs for next year. Go back to my vegetarian life, because I don't know, it usually feels better. So yeah, that's the ingredient section. You guys, Vlogmas day 10 has started with our new Vlogmas intro. Yay! I'm so excited. I hope you liked it. Did you like it? Let me know down below. I love it. I like the penguins, the way they blink. It's perfect. Anyway, in today's video we're gonna do challenges I faced in business and how you can solve them. So we're gonna do that as we make my fancy breakfast. My first point of, why do I look so racheto? Olive, I think I need to wash my hair and make it come back to life. But anyway, the first challenge that I faced in business is overpaying for things. We overpaid our cages. I remember we paid more, but that one wasn't bad. The one that was bad was the rabbits. So I remember we went to Facebook. We were looking for like Facebook groups to see like who is selling like rabbits. Then we got some guy, and you guys, we paid almost 100% more. When you're starting a business, you really don't know. Like, you don't know. The solution for that is you research on the price, or find someone who's doing that business and maybe ask them like, how much would this cost me? I guess as well experience and time, because for us now, as we are expanding and buying more cages and buying more rabbits, we are aware, you know, to share jua, because we've been in the business for some time. So I guess that's my solution. My first fancy English breakfast thing is eggs. I want to fry them. So I usually use black pepper and paprika as well. Yep, Raja hot curry powder. So because yeah, I'm a sea salt mama. Ooh, that looks good. My challenges in business number 2, as I do my egg. Another challenge we faced, you guys, was You've heard that phrase for VITU kwa ground ni different. Umeisikia? That is the same thing we face. And you know what I mean by VITU kwa ground ni different? Like the things I remember we were reading online, I think we came in like thinking, this is the business, it's booming. And honestly, like the things we read on Google, I feel like they kind of lied to us in some way, because they were just saying all the good people successful in this business, all the people selling, how the market is, the demand is high. So me in my head, I'm like, okay, like we got together, you know. Lakini when we came on ground, it was really quite different. First of all, we realized not many people take rabbit meat like we thought they do. And then most of the people, we were actually trying to educate them. Some of them have eaten it, like from their utotoni, but not many, you get. So from what we were reading online, they were pretty much saying it's all Gucci. That's the best way I can put it. So currently the egg is frying. It's not being a very nice egg, but yeah. So that's the challenge we faced. We entered with, I feel like these are two challenges in one. One, VITU background is different. It wasn't exactly what it seemed from reading online. And then two, we came in with very high expectations, but only to enter and our expectations just went down. Solution is come with expectations as low as possible. Don't think just the way Google has told you, it's the way it is. I want to make some fries. Yeah. So anyway, another challenge we faced when we were starting is finding clients. And I think if you watched my videos, then you're aware that I didn't say this time and time again, like we didn't sell in our first month in business. That was a huge challenge, and especially because you put all this money into this business and then you're expecting to be selling and then you're not selling anything. Our solution at the time was intense, like marketing and telling people, everyone about our product, like hi, we sell rabbit. As in, that was the solution at the time. Doing a lot of DMing, engaging people's contents, talking to family and friends. However, we've also realized that if we are trying to be competitive with other animals in the market, and I mean beef, pork, mutton, goats, and chicken, our price is a bit too high. So actually that's what we are reviewing, and we realized like for us to be competitive and for people to feel the need to also try our meat, we have to dramatically reduce our costs, get proper planning, like strategies, and then be able to reduce the price so that our clients can feel the need to enjoy our rabbit. Guys, I'm catching up on doing Calabash Vlogmas and done with the okay, now I'm getting copyright. Now the fries are ready. I'm just waiting for the water to go. My fourth challenge, I feel like it's a challenge that we all know and we are all aware of, and it's money. You guys, money is just for some reason never enough, especially if you're starting up, depending on the business you're doing, obviously. And for us, like at the beginning we had funds, we set up the farm, everything was Gucci, and then problems just start to arise on your face. And now, like I said, we had a problem for clients. We had to like start doing ads, which worked, and then now we got clients, and then our stock ended several times in this 6 months period. So when I mean our stock ends, which I feel like again is a challenge which you can kind of put in this video, our stock ends and then we have to buy rabbits, which is expensive. It's good for the farmer because I mean buy Kenya, support Kenya. So I really want to also elevate other farmers in my business. Yeah, so now you realize we have to buy stock from other farmers and it's not cheap, and you also don't want to familiar the farmer, but you also want to make something, and it's just literally you're making this profit margin. And when I mean this, I mean it's as low as 80 bob, even 100. So that's a challenge we faced, money. But then again, I feel like this challenge, let me just tie it in with the next point, which is understanding the nature of your business. And that was the problem, the challenge I was about to put out next. Like, it's taken us some time to understand the type of business we are doing and realizing that we are dealing with animals. Yeah, so yes, today you have mature rabbits that you're ready to sell. What about if clients are many, they buy all your rabbits? What about next week or next month? Do you have a cycle continuing so that you can have a constant supply of the meat to your customers? So that's another challenge we are currently facing. We are still trying to figure out and understand our cycles and the nature of our business, and how much can we take in, and how much can we handle, and how many rabbits can we be having every quarter, so that we are still in business literally the whole year without having to necessarily buy from other farmers most as often. Because yes, it's good to support the farmer, but then since we plan to reduce our prices, it will be almost pointless for us as a business. So yeah, that's a challenge we are actually facing, trying to understand the nature of our business. And solution is, again, time, learning, mistakes, and you get there, you actually get there. And I'm happy because where we were when we officially started, which is last year in December, and today, yo, I'm truly grateful to God. So yeah, that's one of the challenges we're facing. Now it's getting hot. I'm about to put in the fries and prepare the bread so that I can have it with my yummy eggs. And I'm debating if I should have it with juice or coffee, but we'll know. Ooh, guy, I'm having some fries, some egg on the side, some bread, and some juice, some orange juice, because I'm just ooh. Time to eat my breakfast. Anyway, my last challenge that we're currently facing in our business is logistics for delivery. And if you've watched my Vlogmas Day 9, which is yesterday, I even pointed it out as one of the disadvantages of doing business in Nairobi. However, I've realized it's something that we really can't change. Like, there are only like 3 or 4 ways you can work around it, and that's either you use other delivery services to deliver your products to your clients, you have your own delivery means, or you come up with a central point, maybe for where you can deliver your products. Like, for example, if it's town, and then now you get a border guy to be picking there and delivering them to your clients. That's pretty much it for all the challenges we're currently facing in our business. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It was actually suggested by one of my subscribers / followers. Shout out to her. Thank you so much for this business. This topic is actually got me to think and see how we are dealing with the problems that we have at hand. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 10. You guys, we are on the double digits now. I'm so excited. But otherwise, let me enjoy my breakfast at noon with some juice and probably a movie, and then afterwards I'll head to the gym, shower, and then do work pretty much the whole afternoon and evening. So yeah, bye guys, I love you so much, and yeah, stay tuned for Vlogmas. Hey, Vlogmas. Stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 11, and yeah, bye.